I've done quite a bit of damage to my hair over the years between box dyes and highlights and heat and styling products. I had really nice, long, gorgeous hair when I was younger, and I've basically been trying to get that back my whole adult life. While on my journey to growing out my natural hair, extensions has really helped give me the confidence to just leave my hair alone, not to use heat, and to just embrace my natural curls. It's a hard thing to do, and it's crazy that hair can give you the confidence that it does, but it does, and it wouldn't be the industry that it is if it didn't, right? I do a lot of heatless overnight curls when I'm wearing extensions, and that is what I have found has worked the best for me, to just try and avoid heat when it comes to my everyday styling. And I'm really happy with how much my hair has grown, just with the fact that I'm leaving it alone because I'm happy with it. So this is the other day. I'm installing my sister's 22-inch I-tip extensions. A couple days prior to this, we had color matched her, and when we put the coloring up to her hair, one bead just disappeared. So we knew that that was the color we needed, so I ordered her up 3 packs. Kylie has really, really thick hair top to bottom, and I was afraid that anything less than 3 packs was just, not going to be thick enough at the bottom as compared to the ends of her real hair. So we ordered up 3 packs, and 4 days later they came in the mail. I was super impressed because, for one, there was free shipping, and on the other hand, 4 days might sound like a lot to some people, but I live out in the country in Alberta, and 4 days, let me tell you, was amazing, because usually things take like a week to 2 weeks, sometimes more. It's ridiculous. So we were very excited, and 4 days was hard enough to wait as it is. So when we opened up the box, I was super impressed because I had ordered her extensions in the quality 3A, which is the lowest quality that you can buy from Superhairpieces. I was just really curious to see, what the lowest quality grade was going to be like. And the fact that we only needed to use 2 packs and still have a pack left over really shows you, how thick they are, because Kylie's hair, I wasn't sure. I thought really that 3 packs was gonna be maybe not even enough. We chose I-tips because that's the method that I'm really confident in installing right now, as well as, I've gotten lots of different kinds of extensions, and when I got I-tips, that was definitely my favorite kind. It made for the most natural results. That was a couple before pictures of my sister's hair, and as you can see from her end results, we were able to add a lot of length and a little added volume, as well as some color. I had some 22-inch I-tip extensions in number 33, which is dark auburn, and we just decided to add a little bit here and there for fun, just to see what the results would look like. And honestly, I think that, the color wound up being the little finishing touch that we really needed.
Okay, not so aggressive. Calm down. Okay, be nice. Nice puppy.